Are you trying to decide whether to manufacture your part domestically or internationally? There can be pros and cons to each method. As an adhesive tape converter, we've been sourcing both domestically and internationally for over 30 years. So in this video, we're going to go over the benefits and drawbacks of sourcing from a domestic manufacturer. When deciding where to source products, understanding what constitutes a domestic manufacturer is key. A domestic manufacturer operates within its home territory. This could be a country, a territory, or a region, and this is where their products are made and sold. For example, Strouse is a Maryland-based company within the United States, and we consider domestic to be within North America. Opting for domestic manufacturing offers several benefits that manufacturers should consider. First, it helps mitigate certain aspects associated with international trade, like tariffs, foreign policy, and current events. While it may be challenging to source every material domestically, it can be beneficial to source the primary manufacturing within a domestic region. Second, domestic manufacturing offers better shipping and turnaround times from the manufacturing location, thanks to existing relationships between domestic manufacturers and local shipping carriers. Another significant advantage is the ability to meet both legal and ethical requirements. Domestic manufacturers are already aligned with local standards for safety, quality, and material sourcing, which in the end will help minimize legal risk. Additionally, sourcing domestically ensures that you adhere to your region's labor practices and fair wages. Fourth, being able to visit your manufacturer's facility is another key benefit. International manufacturing can be harder to get to as far as both time and money. Domestic manufacturers allow businesses to inspect the manufacturing location, test machinery, and build stronger relationships, all without the need of costly international travel. The last main benefit of domestic manufacturing is the ability to get in touch with them easier. Shared time zones and a shared common language make the communication of both problems and necessities a lot easier in the long run. While domestic manufacturing certainly has its benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. One main drawback is the limited scope of manufacturers available. Businesses almost certainly will find a limited market domestically when they exclude internationally. Next, depending on where your domestic location is, higher labor costs could result in higher product costs. Lastly, even if the manufacturing is done domestically, some materials may still be manufactured internationally. The cost and lead time of these materials may make it less beneficial to manufacture domestically. However, there are ways to mitigate this by placing blanket purchase orders and ordering these materials in advance. That way you can ensure a steady stream of material coming in. Selecting the right manufacturer involves carefully evaluating your business's needs. By weighing these factors and aligning it with your long-term vision for your business, it can help choose the right manufacturing partner, regardless of whether they are domestic or international. After watching this video, if you're still interested in working with an American company with 30 years of experience, feel free to reach out to us directly or check out our Learning Center for more information. Thanks for watching.